Fuck yeah. Got the fucking bottom of that shit too on stream. Hello. All right, good motherfucking morning, everybody. We got Mr. Hayes in the house.
Yo.
If you guys are new here in the morning, we come in, we take a look at NQ price action, see what happened during the overnight session, and see what price can potentially do going into that New York session. So let's get into it. We were watching, this is already outlined inside our Discord. So on the 4 hour, we got a solid reversal continuation into that upside. So currently watching that as that plays out. And as price continues to just chug along to the upside, we are through that previous daily high. So whenever price closes here on this 4 hour, we're going to continue to watch what it does within here. If it closes above, we can potentially come back down, retest that previous daily high, continue to the upside. If we get back below or close below it, there's that potential for a little M pattern to play out to the downside. What that is, that's if and only if price decides to close down back below that previous daily high. On the hourly, we do, where are we at on the hourly? On the hourly, we continued as well. No retest of any PD arrays, but we are through this giant fair value gap that we had, as well as this fair value gap that we rejected from yesterday. So there's potential for price to come back, retest those areas. So we can be watching those if it does decide to do so. If not, then not. Obviously, previous hourly high sweep right now, so there's always potential, right, for both sides. If price continues back above this previous hourly high sweep, then we get that continuation. If we start to get back below the closing price there, we can look at potentially getting an outside hour to the downside, but that is through 50% of this current hourly or the previous hourly range. That's the only way that we will get that outside. So that's what we're watching there. On the 15-minute, there's a few liquidities on the downside, upside. Obviously, it's got a fuck ton of potential. Don't know where it's going to stop. I think Mr. Hayes said like 30,000 or something. Let me see. I feel like I have a little outline guy.
Got 28,508.
28,508. Nice. That's up there.
Like 600 points.
All right. So we still got some room on the upside. There's always room on the upside.
Forever.
For this to just go and continue as it has been. And on the 5-minute here, similar thing, right? We do have the London session range, and there's this range as well on the upside. We can potentially retrace into OTE, into the open, and then continue out of it. So this would look something like this, and then continuation back above. That's if we continue back above that London session sweep. If price does want to do that, then let's do it. If not, then not.
Order filled.
So let's see what they do here. And yeah. I'm trying the tiniest little short right now, given the SFP at the top, 1 minute inverse fair value gap. This is nothing worthwhile. So you just a little testing the waters here into the New York Open. Got about 15 minutes until we open up, and 2 minutes until we open up a new 15-minute candle. Tuesdays, what do we typically like to do on Tuesdays? Tuesdays like to fill the gap, the opening gap. So daily open is all the way at 27,760. That is statistics of Edgefool off their Twitter. Not subscribed or partner of them. I just like statistics. So there's like 80% that they like to retrace it to back to open. So we'll see what they do here. Not right now, just sitting still here, sitting waiting. Rising VIX fix is going to be an opportunity for longs. If we sweep liquidity, that's going to be even better. Sweep of liquidity, SFP, and rising VIX fix. That's kind of our holy trinity for upside. That's all I have on NQ. Bitcoin continuing the crankage and carnage of the shorts. So far, we're just fucking going bravely right now.
Yep. So I don't short. Not crypto.
If we take the bearish leg, that last leg to the downside, 83,460 ish is the 618 of that range. So that's a level we could be watching as a potential for something to play out there. So just watch it. Be careful if you're long Bitcoin within that area. Wait for a retrace into the OT of the current bullish leg, and then get a continuation out of it. That's all I have. I think we have, who do we have reporting today? I feel like we had somebody today that was important. AMD. AMD
See if
reports
the
today.
shifts keep going.
AMD, where's this bitch at? AMD. AMD, so previous weekly high, or previous monthly high.
Ooh. I mean, yeah, I could definitely get a pullback to OTE again. 275 discount.
That'd be quite a fucking pullback, goddamn.
If they want to.
Yeah. Only if you want it. But that's where we're at. Watching. Seeing what the hell they want to do with this shit here. Nothing crazy. Thank you, just fucking crankage. Oh yeah. Oh, I have a I got 28,508.50 as a level as well. 28,508.50. Boop. Move that there. That's off of this manipulation leg on the 12-hour. And then 29,202. Then we got 32,250. The final stretch is 32,139. Fucking crazy shit. Let's see where the Qs are at. Just crankage. I did the same shit we did last April.
Yep.
Mr. Trump said April 6th is the deadline. Deadline of the dead. All right, in Iran,
before people are dead.
people are dead. That is the deadline.
That's why they call it that.
You ever wonder why they call it that? Did you see the shit where he was talking to this NASA advisor? He's got big ears. Yeah, and he goes like, he's like, "Did you hear all that? Those big beautiful ears."
Oh my god.
So fucking funny. Oh my god, I need to find that shit.
Big beautiful.
Where was it?
I like during COVID when he used to talk about Adam Schiff's pencil neck. But he's got the skinniest, scrawniest neck.
Oh man.
Like a pencil. Pencil neck Adam Schiff.
Did you get all that?
Big beautiful ear, Bill.
Big beautiful ears. He's got brilliant. The guy's brilliant.
Look at him, he's gonna fly away.
Look at him. He can hear me talking from across the room, huh? Look at this guy.
He can hear the thoughts in my head.
Let's see, was it? Who was it that fucking posted this shit? I'm trying to think. Jeez. He's got some beautiful ears. Come on. Send your chat. There you go. Send it to your chat.
Order filled.
Did you get all that? Did you hear that question? It's beautifully. Those beautiful ears. Well, did you know our president's a fucking ear guy? I got that ear kink. Beautiful, beautiful ears. I just want to kiss them all. Give them a little mwah, smooch, if you will. Oh my fucking god! You can't hate the guy for the shit that he says.
No.
It's too fucking hilarious. Look at that. Look at that gentleman standing there listening to me. Those gorgeous, gorgeous ears. Price action. You got a little run on that thing. That's a beat. The close back below this fair value gap. There's potential, like we said, into that New York Open OTE of this, and then continuation back above that London session high. London session high. Getting a decent little continuation on this thing. Previous hourly high sweep. I'm about to come back down to previous daily high at 27 965.75. Let's see what the hell they want to do on this thing. Oh, man. That's fucking me. That's fucking snowing outside.
Mm.
What is your long-term outlook? Where do you think the buck stops
On what?
on everything? Or do you think this is just a continued cranker during the Trump administration?
I think so. Off the 12-month lows already in.
Lows on 12-month this year. I like that.
They already had their chance again.
That's true. Yeah, fucking US
Already
one.
reclaimed yearly open. Like that monthly candle's so fucking strong.
Yeah.
Last month. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months of down, and then one candle to erase it all and close well above it. If it would have wicked and pulled back, but like strong close,
Yeah.
last month was really the
Even the fucking quarterly looks just fucking
yeah.
insane. Came right into our area that we outlined a while back.
I think it just keeps going.
Just to continue to crankaroo. Yeah, shit's like,
I don't see why not.
yeah,
That's all it does.
that's true.
Just goes up. Little pullbacks here and there, but
Yeah.
probably just up
But
overall.
nothing like bear market. Unless we decide to have another fucking pandemic, but even then, that's just a fucking...
Then you can't even catch that shit anyways. It'll be on the weekend.
Yeah, exactly.
And cleaned up by Monday.
Yep. We got war. Short. It's crazy how it's been all that shit.
Yep.
War, no war. War, no war. I don't know. JD Vance is probably captured there now.
Yep.
Fucking stay too long. Had too much fucking whatever halal food.
Yep.
Homie's living in Iran now.
Okay, I take child to school. You stay on?
Hmm?
You staying on?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye, Mr. Jen. We're gonna stay. We're gonna see what we can just commentate on price. All right. Mr. Jen has left the session. Now we'll continue to watch this and see what Price wants to go, wants to do. Let's see what we have on this hoe. So we got a decent little run on that downside there. Let's see, they might want to come back into that new 15. We got 4 more minutes until they open up the stock market. Fully open it up. Previous hourly sweep. That was the short idea there. Previous hourly sweep and SFP on the 5 minute. There's no signal yet for this, and I am waiting on a good rising VIX fix for those longs. You can see every time we've pretty much had a rising VIX fix, that was a good decent bottom. So 15 5 minute is where I'll be watching those things take place. Value area or point of control is chilling at 27,932. We're tapped into value area high there. You see this area, if price does come down into here, it's going to be swift. Potential to tap into this area. If we break this can lead into a little bit of more there, and if we break the top, then price becomes radical and we continue to the upside, or irrational rather. It's kind of that verbiage, I guess, more or less. Let's see what they do into the open. We still have that one contract. You can see it running there. One contract might take profit on is 27,960.50. 965.75 is previous daily. 965. We can't even put it 965.75 previous daily high retest. I was putting it within the OTE here. Where did my levels go? Key levels. There we go. That's what I want. Key levels. That's an indicator by Mr. Haste. Shows us previous data high with all the little numbers on there as well. That's what we will continue to watch here. This price to this thing, well, there's like a fucking. Let's see what they want to do with this bitch. Looks like they want to just crank this hoe into that upside. So if the mic is doing something, there's some shit on it. Goddamn. Trying to get it off. Whatever. So I'll stay on it for now. Right, and we are also on that 15-minute, as we mentioned, we are inside this fair value gap as well. And you can see from all those previous times, swept liquidity continued to the upside. And now looks like price is doing the same thing there. So we'll continue to see what they do on this pitch. Like I said, 5 minutes, or, well, 20 seconds until market opens up. Let's see what they do here. Potential previous daily high retest. Right, 27, that's that level. Or they can dig deeper into that OTE as well. There's that crank to the upside on the initial sweep. The top one looks like that's a... See what they do on that. That's a rush on the upside. So I only have one contract on this. Right, there's our continuation into the upside. They're aggressive with it. 2 right now. I want to see how this 1 minute closes, because that can give us potential. One minute strong. One minute closing back below that. Five minutes swept that. Swept the low of the range. No previous daily high retest. Let's see, this thing is fast today. 15-minute fully outside. Hourly manipulated as well. On the 1 minute, we have that little SFB forming out there. Let's see if we can. I might try it. No, I'll wait on it. I'll wait on it. I'm waiting on her. It's a nice sweep. Almost like a little 3 drives on the upside there. Right. Another bumperoonie. Into the upside on that 1 minute. And I will try adding into this. Let's see if they want to give us a little juice into the 50% of this wick. Into the wick of this 1 minute candle is what I'm talking about. $27,981.75. Looks like they don't want to retrace it yet. This 5 minute would need to close below the London session. If that is something that we're looking at, there's that London session. It looks like they got a nice manipulation on the downside there, right, with that swing failure pivot. That's on the 1 minute, and we swept the top there. Looks like continued crankage. See if they farm this out in the 1 minute. See swing failure pivot there. The 1. 1 minute until next candle opens up.
A man is hugging an older woman and a man and telling them goodbye.
said, we had let's see what they do out here. Looks strong as fuck. See what we have for news today. 7:45 final service PMI. ISM service PMI at 8 a.m. Opening up as a heads up on that. See if this 1 minute SFP will provide us with anything there. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, so no retest of previous daily high. No pullback into the OTE there either. So let's see how they crank this soldier boy the rest of the session. Alright, we swept that. Nope. Watching this 5 minute and watching this 15 minute in the hourly. Nothing on the one yet, either for shorts. Looks like it's just continued carnage on the upside. Let's see here. Yep. Continuation. Just fucking grippy and rapey. Alright. I'll probably do here, pig. That'll do. We will be back at night to see and review what we had going on here. You see, of course, we got that 1 minute SFP. They give us that continuation into the upside and continuation of this trend. Right, trend is our friend. And today we friended a little bit. Same thing as yesterday. Which is alright. Right, we make our comebacks. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. And we will see you on the next one. Peace out. Just later tonight. So stay tuned. See ya.